Now we're going to put this bar back on. So let's get some of this to clean it up. So what we have to do, since it has the automatic adjustment, to get good and clean here, then we'll put that screw back in. So that's what we got the screwdriver for. Got the gloves for the chain, because they will cut you. Let's have to come back. But like I said, this one here is dull. So it's the MS180. Chain brake is off. I'll turn it around. This has got the easy start and the quick release. So what we're going to do here, pull that out right there. Loosen it up some. And we're going to let off the chain. See the chain getting slack in it. So it's ready. And so I backed it off because I want to put in the 18-inch bar. Okay, so you just unscrew this right here. That's one thing I like about this. Pretty dirty because I used it today. The finish cut down that stump there. And so here, this blade is pretty dull. The chain is pretty dull. So it's not going to hurt that. So we'll take it off. And it's 16-inch, so we'll save it and put it on the other one. The only thing I got to do is get my... This chain here is bad, so they put this little stripe on there. We'll just throw it in the trash. It's not good for nothing. And that way, no, that one will go on the other head. So here, we'll just clean it up, wipe it up a little bit. And molded stuff still spins free. You know, that off. That was a pretty nasty pine tree today. It was soft wood, so it got everywhere. But I'd already cleaned this out when I took it off the Senate to get the blade sharpened. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on cleaning it up. These little things come in handy for the oils. They're really good. You can check the oil, make sure the hole is unstopped. I'll pour it out of there. I know the oil is still working because it kept using oil. Had filled up at least twice. The stump was pretty big. It was over 30 inches. So, okay, just clean it up here. Put that other blade back on. And you can take a little air to help clean some of these holes out, and then if you get the air draft just right, it'll have a little oil come out of it. But like I said, I know the oil is working, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. I'll take this off the next time and clean that little muffler deal in there. It gets loaded up with oil and grime. Go to a pawn shop and look at a chainsaw, and you see this all rusted out and stuff, and you have to go in there every now and then and clean it out. And of course you got to clean a filter here that needs to be cleaned. I probably need to check it while I got it off. We'll blow a little air and blow a little air. Just touch it up just a little bit with some air. So just taking the air pressure just to blow this out real quick and then get back to it. Drop it off a little bit. But I'll put some of this on the little adjustment spring there. It's got a little spring in there, tension, so I just oiled it up. You don't have to, but that's just what I'm going to do. Can't go wrong with oil. Okay, and pull this out. Okay, so got that piece done. This is a 16-inch bar. And that chain, that was a brand new chain I put on there the other day, and it needs to be sharpened, so. That's where we took them off. Over. Okay, so that's the screw that has to come out. Got one screw you have to take out because you have to have this put on the new bar for your adjustment. Rust on it. So the way it would go in the saw is just like this. And maybe we run this bar, steel bar would be just like that. 16, this is 18, it's got the roller-matic, both of them are roller-matic, okay? So you can see the difference in how long that is. So what we're going to do is just flip those over. Take that one screw out. They have one on the back of here, but it'll work, so it don't really matter. Just loosen that up there. Screwdriver there. Dirt on it. Got two guide pins on there, so you just line up the holes. Tell that oil has been working. That's got oil on it. These two holes here. There we go. Something under there just to hold it. Get that down there snug. Okay, got the 18-inch blade on, and so you just back this off a little bit and see that button right there. So what you do is you can see as I turn the adjustment knob how the belt comes up. Let's see if it. You can see how I tighten it up. Okay, and you get all the slack out of it. The brake is off, and you just want to make sure everything is on there. Yep, goes good. You don't have to, like I said, it's got an oiler, but I'm just gonna put some, since this chain just came back from the shop. Just put a little bit on there. Yeah, it made the roller a little bit better. Okay, so what you want to do is turn it around when you get to the bottom. Got a little slack there. I'm going to turn it again. Tighten it up. See how that pops back in there? That's good and tight. Okay. Maybe a little bit more slow than it needs to be, but it'll loosen up when you start using it. Yeah, that's gonna work perfect. Okay, got that good and tight. Pop that down. 18-inch blade is back on. Listen, it's done. What I need to do while I got it is probably go ahead and check the filter since I've used it quite a bit. Power here quite a bit. So it's got one screw here. Let's turn that screw there. Just to lock and unlock. Kind of squeeze it. You want to put that down. Go ahead and check it. Filter's not too bad. Stuff in the filter housing, so you can blow it out, put your finger over here. This filter's good. I won't change it now. But if I cut down another tree, maybe I'll change it. Okay, so the housing is pretty decent on the inside. Okay, so I'll cut another tree fall down, we'll be ready. You're gonna go back and put it back together in reverse order. Pull your button down, pop right over. Back in place. Okay. And then you want to do your half turn on it. Okay. So that one's done. Cover back on it. Brake on it. Slide the cover on it. Okay. So ready for our next tree job. Got two I'll probably end up cutting in the near future. So that one's done.